and welcome back to Science with Miss Wardell. So we've been talking a lot about weather lately. We just started talking about climate. So here on page 406, today I'm talking about climate versus weather. We're going to compare the two. Weather changes day by day, but overall, weather patterns stay the same. As we read these next pages, we're going to draw a star next to what you would consider the most important sentence and be ready to explain it. Okay? So we want to know, what's the most important thing that we're reading about today? In the very beginning, it says climate is different from weather. Climate is a long-term weather pattern of a place, and weather describes that the atmosphere is like, and weather describes what an atmosphere is like at a given time or place. Okay. So climate is the long-term weather patterns of a place. Here, the key thing is it's long-term weather patterns. Okay? With weather, it describes given time and place. So weather describes the atmosphere at a given time and place. So from day to day. For example, on average, a desert might get only a few centimeters of rain each year. However, the desert has a dry climate. But the weather in the desert might be rainy one day and dry the next. So weather being a day-to-day and climate being over a long period of time. Scientists find the climate of an area by averaging weather conditions over 30 years or more. The study of an area's temperature, wind speed, wind direction, cloud cover, air pressure, and amount of precipitation. Wow, that's a lot with climate versus weather. So, what do you think is the most important sentence? Where would you put a star? If we're talking about climate versus weather, I might lean more towards the very first sentence. What's it say? Yeah, climate is different from weather. It is very different. So it's the long-term weather pattern, and it's different. We are not going to do the math today, so today you just had 406. All right, guys, see ya. Goodbye.